Hey guys, this is Alik from NatureWithAlik YouTube channel and beautiful Shulman dragon fruit orchard. It's July 2025 and we are harvesting our fruit and do lots of tasting. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel, NatureWithAlik, and as well as click notification button and make sure you do not miss any future videos. And there is 140 videos already loaded on my YouTube channel. I'm traveling around the world and sharing the nature with you guys as well. Okay, today we're gonna harvest a beautiful physical graffiti fruit. Look at this on the top, it's pretty big. It's already cracked a little bit, tells that the fruit is already to be harvested and nice and sweet. I want to show you the preparation of my table. So we have a scale. We're going to check the weight of the fruit. Okay. Then we have as well the refractometer. Okay. This is the digital device that checking the sweetness of the fruit. You can have this one at home. You can check any fruit, liquids, and anything for the sugar consistency and your liquid and fruit. And we got spoon. We got garlic press to squeeze the juice from the fruit to the refractometer. Okay, and it's time to harvest the physical graffiti of 2025. Okay, so here we go. As you can see, some of the fruit are really high, so I have to use the ladder. Okay, we're gonna cut it right now. Okay, whoa, look at this heavy, big, and tasty fruit. Okay, coming down, guys. Ta-da! Okay, we're gonna check the weight right now. So this was 1 pound and 5.5 ounces. Okay, 1 pound 5 ounces. That's a pretty good size for commercial growing. People grow physical graffiti commercially. This is amazing fruit. Okay, now I'll let you know how many grams is gonna be. Okay, this is the ounces and 610 grams. 610 grams, over half a kilo. This is the lovely fruit. Look how many we have it over here. So happy with the physical graffiti. It's amazing fruit. Okay, so we're gonna wash it very fast right now, and we'll do the brick score test, and we'll do the tasting as well. So you guys know what to order, what plant to order, and what exactly you would love in the color of the fruit. We have so many different varieties of the fruit. We have like 50 varieties in Shulman dragon fruit orchard, and we have with the white flesh, we have the off-white flesh, and we have the pink color, magenta color, deep red color. There's Nicaraguan varieties, Mr. Wu, Michelle, Lisa, San Ignacio. Those varieties, very deep red color. Okay, and now time to introduce the beautiful physical graffiti. Okay, so when you slice the fruit, do not try to cut it straight in half, because this part where the fruit is holding, it's very hard. It's like a branch. Okay, so get it a little bit off on the side, so that's going to be easy for you to slice and enjoy the fruit. Okay. And as you know, the fruit it's better kept in the refrigerator whenever you purchase from a farmer's market. If you come Thousand Oaks Farmer's Market, Westlake, Ventura, wherever I sell, keep it in the refrigerator for an hour, and it's cooling down, and you're gonna taste it. So good flavor. And as well, you can do the sorbet with this. Slice it in half and put it in the freezer couple hours, and you can have sorbet right away. Okay. Drum please. Ta-da! Amazing, amazing. Whoa, the juice already coming out. Here we go. Welcome to a beautiful physical graffiti fruit of 2025. 1 pound 5 ounces, 650 grams, I believe. I forgot the number, but that's a good size. That's a good size. Okay, so here we go. Okay, now we're gonna do the brick score, the sugar consistency in this fruit. Okay, so I'm gonna just take a little bit from the center, put in the garlic press. Okay, we're gonna grab a couple. Yummy, yummy, yummy. 3 drops is good enough. to fill up our container. Okay, press the button. Drum, please. Da da da. Numbers coming out. Okay, 70.95. Come take a look. 17.95. This is amazing. Here we go. Just put a little shade. 70.95. Good number. Very good number. I'm very happy. Look at this. First fruit of the season. Almost pound and a half. Almost 18 brick score. And we're gonna do a nice and yummy slice of the fruit. Been waiting for me. It's been waiting for me for so long. Welcome, Physical Graffiti, Nextdoor-Dragon for orchard. Thanks God. Oh my goodness. Guys, every fruit that I taste today, it's a must-have fruit in your garden. Oh my God, sweetness is amazing. Flavor, candy flavor, rich of tropical flavors. I want one more slice. This is so good. This is so good. We've tasted today the Delight. It was amazing. Then we moved to Robles Red. Then now we're moving to Physical Graffiti. There's so many yummy and tasty varieties in my orchard. It's like, and later we're gonna have the Coney Meyer with the coconut flavor, and the Enigma is gonna be with the cherry flavor, and so many. And Lisa is amazing, coming very soon. Subscribe to my channel, guys, so you can see more flavors, more ability, what you can build in your dragon fruit orchard. Cheers, guys, for you. And we are shipping boxes. We can ship the multi-variety boxes, and I'm just gonna share on the Facebook what varieties we have, and people order how many pounds would like. And last year was like 15 to 20 different varieties were shipped in one box, and people are really happy. And thanks God that we have so many customers. Over 3,000 subscribers our YouTube channel. Okay, cheers, guys. You can't miss with this one. Physical Graffiti is the best fruit. Very juicy, nice texture. You don't feel the seeds at all, and it's very, very sweet. Your kids would love it. All the family would love it. Very healthy, super fruit. One more time. Yummy and tasty Physical Graffiti. Thank you so much, guys. Wish you all the best. Looking forward to see you in my orchard, and come over, grab your fruit, enjoy your family, and as well we can do the tasting over here. Alik, 323 area code 547-1273. Bye-bye.